Welcome back to another vlog. It's Wednesday morning. I'm on my way to get my hair cut. I'm so excited. I washed my hair last night because when I called them, I asked them how they wanted me to show up, like with my hair brushed out or how I normally style it, and they said how I normally style it, day 1 or day 2 hair. So I washed it last night, and my scalp psoriasis has been acting up, so I'm a little self-conscious about that, but it's gonna be fine. And I'm not gonna lie, now that I'm about to cut my hair, I'm like having a hard time parting with it because I'm like, oh, I love my long hair so much though, but I do need more shape and I want more volume. So I'm really excited to get it cut. I'm just, you know, sad to say goodbye to the length, but it doesn't even really look that good most of the time. So now that I'm about to get it cut, I'm acting like I'm sad about it. Funny how that works, right? It's a little rainy this morning and the place that I'm going to is about 20 minutes from me. This is my first time going to this place. The stylist I'm going to does curly cuts. I made sure that the person I'm going to knows how to cut curly hair, of course, because if you have curly hair and you're getting your hair cut, you need to make sure that they are an experienced curly hair cutter. Otherwise, whew, I'll be praying for you because curly hair texture is a whole nother realm. So I did my research this time. I just got here, so say goodbye to this long, luscious hair. I feel like my hair looks more like this right now, but I want it to look like this. So I want to keep as much length as possible while still getting those high layers. Like my shortest layer is this long, and I think I want my shortest layer like to my shoulder, probably. So let's do it. Thank you.
Okay, so what is our plan today length-wise? Are you wanting to get basic length, or what are you feeling?
I'm down to get rid of like maybe like, is that 2 inches?
Yeah.
I'm down to
Probably
get rid of
a little bit more.
Well,
Yeah.
whatever you think we need to get rid of.
Okay.
Just so that like it blends with the shortest layer, because I would like my shortest layer to be probably like around my shoulder.
Okay.
Or like how short do you think we could go with the shortest layer while still keeping the length?
I mean, we can definitely still, because you luckily have, density-wise, an amazing amount of hair. So we could definitely put some really nice layering through here and just reshape all of this.
Right.
Because right now,
yeah,
I do see a lot of your weight at the bottom, and I know you were talking about how you want some of this right here going on.
Yes.
So yeah, we could definitely keep as much length as possible, take up what you showed me previously, and then just start reshaping your layers. So yeah, I definitely think it'd be beautiful.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, because I feel like the bottom, because I've been cutting my hair for like 3 years now.
Yeah.
So I feel like the bottom is maybe, should the bottom be thicker?
So you do have a decent amount down here, so when we go in and do that shaping with the layers, it is going to take some from your bottom,
right,
but not enough to make it look like it's stringy or that it's thinned out or anything like that, since you do have a good amount of density. Now, if we were working with like less amount of hair, maybe I would say something along those lines, but you luckily have enough that we can work with, that we can take some from here without making it look, you know, scraggly or whatever.
Okay, I just want to make sure, like with my DIY haircuts, I want to make sure I didn't mess anything up, that so like you can still make it, fix it, I guess.
When was the last time that you did cut it yourself?
Like 4 months, maybe 4 or 5 months ago.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
And then talk to me about these pieces right up here in the front, your face Thanksgiving.
I'm thinking just like the same thing, maybe if you could like just like fix them. I don't know what I did like a bunch of twisty random stuff, and I also don't know like if I went too far back with my bangs. I don't know like how far back I should, like, you know, like I don't know what's fixable.
It's up to you, but what we could do is still leave them pretty long when you have them, so they tie into the rest of the haircut.
Yeah.
But right here in the front, I can make them cascade a little bit nicer down into it, so you see the difference there, where it looks like it maybe has like a disconnect, and then it ties it in right here together. We can definitely do something like that if you're open for it.
Yes,
and we wouldn't have to take away too much length either, because it's right here in the front, and I can just play off what you already did. You didn't do a bad job. It's just we just need to reshape it to spin a little.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, I just want it to look like, you know, more round. back home now. I just finished eating because I was starving, but let me give you a hair reveal. So she gave me exactly what I wanted. I still have my length. I think she took off about 2 inches, so it feels so much healthier at the bottom. Nice and thick. And then she gave me the layers that I wanted. My shortest layer is like right here, and I love it so much. It looks so good right now, but I can't wait to wash it and restyle it because I feel like when you cut curly hair, when it's curly, it kind of makes it look like it's a little choppy. So I feel like after I wash it, the curls will look a little less choppy. You can kind of like see the pieces where she cut. But I love that she cut my hair when it was curly. I've never had a curly haircut like that before. That was a really cool experience. Plus, the head massage that she gave me, oh my God, I've never had a head massage that good. Like I was in heaven. I'm still getting used to my hair, and she gave me a middle part, which I love, but I want to kind of just like tousle it around a little bit. I feel like it's still a tiny, tiny bit damp, so I could get a little bit more volume out of it. I also scheduled a consultation with her to do some color. I want to do like a non-bleach balayage, and we were talking about it a little bit. But I do want to add a little bit of color and like even it out. Something subtle, nothing crazy. And I just don't want to bleach my hair anymore because I feel like it just damages my hair and makes my hair get tangled super easily. So on camera, it looks kind of caramel, but it's like more blonde. Like these pieces were bleached. But I think I also want to add some more color to my face framing pieces just to like balance everything out, you know? Let me show you the back. What do you guys think? Let me know. I love it so much. I'm like, should I have went shorter with my layers? I'm like, I want more volume. I want it to be higher. I'm so excited to finally do some hairstyles with my new haircut. I feel like they're just gonna look so much better now. I also picked up these 2 products when I was there. I never buy any products when I go to the salon. So this was a first for me, a little splurge. I probably did it one time because they can be pretty pricey, but she used both of these on me and it made my hair feel super soft. One of them is a healing oil, and then this one is a leave-in conditioner. So I'm super excited to use this. She told me I could mix a little bit of this leave-in conditioner into my spray bottle with my water, like when I revive my hair, and it'll just help it look better. So I'm gonna do that. And it just feels so fluffy and nice. Ooh, yeah. It wasn't like a drastic change by any means. She just fixed it. I asked her how often her curly hair clients go to her for a haircut. She said about every 8 to 9 weeks. So I'm gonna try to keep that up and see if I like want to actually go shorter with the layers. And she said it'll just be a quicker and easier cut because, you know, the shape is already here, so that'll be nice. I'm about to spend some time editing a collab that I filmed last night. It's like a holiday bath collab, and I'm super excited about it because it came out really cute. I just need to edit it, do the voiceover, and then submit it by Friday. But I like to try to get my collabs in as early as possible so that I have extra time to create my own content. And I need to do another clean with me video. I haven't done one of those in so long. When we first moved into this apartment, I was doing them on a weekly basis, like one every week. I think I did like 2 or 3, and I just fell off. So that is on my to-do list. Let me show you my snowflake ornaments that came in. I feel like the tree looks so much better now. I'm still on the hunt for that viral bow tree topper, so I think that'll look so perfect on top. I can't believe I didn't get it when I saw it that one time, but aren't these so cute? They do have glitter on them. I don't think it's picking up on camera much, but I love how my tree looks. So I just need a tree topper and then a few more white ornaments. I just want like something like this, but I want them like a different shape than this one. I want them like a little bit smaller. Just, you know, something to add a little bit more contrast. It's a work in progress, but this is why I decorated early, because I knew once I put my tree up, it wasn't gonna be done for a while. It'll probably be finished right after Thanksgiving, which is perfect timing. Hi.
Hello. Hi.
How's everyone doing?
Good. Nice to talk to you again, Angel. The objective of this content is to really show that, like, you can find whatever works best for your creative process.
Happy Thursday. I just got off a call with TJ Maxx going over some exciting future collaborations. This is not my first time collaborating with them, but every time we work together, it's always so much fun and the team is so nice. So I'm really excited about that. Right now, I am finishing up editing another collaboration and I have to post a collaboration here in a little bit on my Instagram account. So I kind of have a lot going on, but I'm just trying to get caught up. That way, by the time the weekend comes around, I don't have to worry about anything. I do want to get some cute outfit pics today. I think my husband and I are going to play pickleball tonight, so I'll just bring a change of clothes and then have him snap some cute pics of me so I can get that out of the way too. I did a little workout this morning. Oh my gosh, it was really hard. I did like 5 crunches and tell me why it felt like I did 100. Like my abs are non-existent right now and I need them to come back. So I'm gonna try to keep doing my morning Pilates, or I'll try to get back on it anyways. I have a Pilates class booked for tomorrow morning and I hope it's really good because I booked a Pilates class a couple of days ago and it just felt like an introductory class. I was not sore the next day. Like when I go to a Pilates class, mind you, this was a $40 class. I want to be sore the next day. I want to sweat. I want to feel like I'm getting a workout, and I booked a beginner/intermediate class where there was a beginner class, and I didn't book the beginner class because I thought it would be too easy, but the beginner intermediate was still just too easy. So I booked a HIIT. It's not called a HIIT. Is it called a HIIT? You know, like high interval training. It's called a FIT. Instead of HIIT, it's FIT, but for Pilates, but it's like a HIIT class, if that makes sense. So this one might kick my butt and it's tomorrow. So I'm really excited to do that. Oh yeah, I need to go to Target today because I need to get a jacket to complete a look I have for a Lulu's campaign. So I have the dress, I have the boots, I have the purse and the accessories. I just need a jacket because it's so freaking cold and I don't have like a nice coat to go over this like pink dress that I have. So I saw one at Target that I think will go really nicely. I think it was viral on TikTok. It has like a hood and it's a furry white coat. I think it'll look good with the dress. I want to pick that up and yeah, just like try to get ahead of the game because I don't know, I'm getting a little bit of anxiety. I'm gonna finish editing this video so I could submit that and then post my branded collab and then go to Target, get the cute pictures, then go play pickleball. And I think that'll be it. That's the plan for today. I was having a difficult time toggling on the paid ad button, but I finally got it. And right now I'm having a little meltdown because I don't know what to wear. It's freezing outside. My husband and I aren't going to play pickleball after all because there's a severe freeze warning.
These conditions are expected by 3 a.m.
Oh, okay.
Real quick, sorry.
You're fine.
Look so cute.
I don't though. I don't.
Minus the 1 foot out.
This outfit's not cute though, is it? I wanted to wear a skirt, but it's too cold.
Skirt.
Yeah, so there's a severe freeze warning. So I'm trying to bundle up and I wanted to wear this
let's get that
pink
walk-in
sweater.
In like 20 minutes, okay?
Okay, I'm ready. I'm trying to get ready right now. I'm trying to rush and get ready right now because we want to get our walk-in before the sun goes down, but I don't know what to wear. I'm having a dilemma. This is what I look like right now. This hat is not working, clearly. I was thinking about doing a beanie, a pink beanie, but I don't know. Something about the leggings and this oversized sweater is just not it. I wanted to wear my white skirts with this, but it's too freaking cold. Should I wear jeans? I put a turtleneck on because it's like 50 degrees outside. I'm having a meltdown right now. This is my second outfit that I just put together and it's a no. I tried to make the leopard print and the pink work, but I look like a quarterback. So I'm gonna change, I think 3rd time's the charm. I think I'm just gonna do athleisure and call it a day. I don't know. When it's too cold like this, I just can't get any cute outfits because I don't have the proper clothes. These pants are just way too big. Oh my gosh. It looks like a tornado went through my room, but this is my new outfit. Now I'm trying to decide which bag. Because it's so cold, I think I should go with this one. I feel like the bow bag would just be like too much going on since my jacket has like a bunch of different patterns already, right? Yeah. I actually feel warm and cozy, which is the most important. I just don't know if I should put a bow clip in my hair or if I should wear my beanie. All right, I just put the beanie on and I think this is actually pretty cute, right? So I think I'm gonna leave the beanie on and get some cute pics like this. Love it. It's a little bit different, but I think I'll make it work. Happy Friday. I just got to my Pilates class and I'm really excited but a little scared at the same time because they called me trying to make sure that I knew what kind of class I booked because it's hard. It's a fit class, like a high interval training class. And I'm like, yes, I want to break a sweat. I let them know that I booked a class a couple of days ago that like did nothing for me. And they're like, okay, just let the teacher know that you're new. And I do need some socks, so hopefully I can find some cute ones. I wasn't sure what to do with my hair. I don't know if these are just too long to keep down.
7. Exhale 2. Exhale 2. Hold it, replace. Should not move. Right. We got 6. Exhale. Use. It's your torso that keeps lifting. 6. You're going to feel that work in your abdominal muscles, guys. Exhale 4. Yes, Elizabeth. 4. Yes, Angela. 3. Feel the pulling of your knee to your chest. The more challenging it's going to feel. 3 more times. Yes. Keep practicing that. Yes. 4 more. Exhale 3. Last movement is coming up. So extend the arms. Exhale 3. Only 2.
That class was worth $35 in my opinion, and I think I'm gonna sign up for their membership because it's just what I need. Like my at-home Pilates classes are okay, but this class was on another level and I feel like I could definitely lose the weight that I need to lose and tone up where I want to tone up through maybe like taking 2 months worth of these classes. So I think I'm gonna end up signing up. I'm honestly ready for a nap after that class and it's only 1 p.m. So I need to be productive today. I need to edit this vlog and get it up for you guys so you can watch it on Sunday. So I'm going to end the vlog here and start a new one next week. Thank you for hanging out with me. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Make sure you're following me on all social platforms and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll see you next week.